Welcome aboard the SPX 210 Outboard from Sea Ray. This boat comes available in both stern drive and outboard configurations, and today I'm going to take you through a detailed walkthrough on the SPX 210 Outboard. All right, I'm standing now on our swim platform area. We have a lovely sea deck material down. It's an option for you, so it's something you'll want to consider when you're building your own Sea Ray. The standard on this boat is the Mercury 150 horsepower outboard engine. You can option up to a 200 horsepower if you so choose. So this SPX model features this ski tow, which is perfect for pulling a tuber, kneeboarder, wakeboarder, skier. It can handle anything. So make sure your SPX, your sport model, is equipped with everything you need to pull those water toys. Now you'll notice on the SPX 210 we have a very large sun pad, so it's perfect if you're out laying in the sun, but also if you've got some kids playing in the water, you can just lift up this little seat back here, and you've got some great convenient seating at the transom. The SPX 210 features a seating capacity of 12. So imagine all of your friends and all of their stuff. We've got the perfect place for that storage. Beneath the sun pad, we have a very large storage compartment. We can include Maui mats, life jackets, water toys, you name it. Ample storage, more storage than you'll find in any other boat in its class. The SPX 210 features a very broad beam. At 8 feet 6 inches, we've got ample space for plenty of seating. With an L-shaped seat here, we also have this port side seat that has a flip-flop, so you can sit facing forward, or if you'd like to lounge back and enjoy your conversation, you can comfortably sit here as well. Now, standard configuration on this boat is to include 2 dual bucket seats. So your Helm companion seat will have a bucket as well as your captain's chair. In the cockpit, we have this lovely infinity flooring. It's one of 3 flooring options available on the SPX line. We have carpet, snap-in carpet available. We also have the infinity flooring, which is a woven material. And we have snap-in sea deck material. So if you like that squishy feeling on your feet on the swim platform, you can bring it all the way into the cockpit. Overhead, we've got this lovely sunshade. So if you want to get out of the sun for a little while, we've got ample sun coverage that'll keep you nice and cool on a beautiful warm day. Next, we're at the helm of the SPX 210, which standard features dual gauges. This is upgraded with the optional 5-inch Simrad, which features sonar and a chart plotter. Now also at the helm, you'll notice we've got really nice upgrades to our dash cover that corresponds and matches beautifully with our interior package. This interior package is called Dune. The boat is also available with the Ivory interior package. Now, back to the helm. So this is a really great helm seat for several reasons. One, it offers a flip-up bolster. So if you'd like to sit above the windshield, you can do that and have the wind in your face. It also, for those of us that aren't quite so tall, has a really nice adjustable sliding seat, so you can get as close to the steering wheel as you'd like. Just a quick fasten down, and you're ready to go. Additional upgrades are available to include a 9-inch Simrad display, so if you want that bigger screen, that comes also available with Mercury Vessel View. In addition to the chart plotter and sonar, you're ready to go. Now moving forward into the bow, we've got 2 very generous lounge seats with storage compartments underneath. You'll notice cup holders below. And because this boat offers the premium audio upgrade, we've got 2 amazing Fusion audio speakers up here. They're 6.5 inches, plenty of sound. You're gonna have a great experience. Also, this cushion is removable. So if you do decide that you want to beach, you can actually easily get on and off vessel forward. Thank you for joining me on a tour of the SPX 210 Outboard from Sea Ray. To design yours, visit SeaRay.com today.